Hi there, this is Sean Broderick for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. I think gold is cheap right now. One reason that the IMF meets today in Zurich. The IMF will be discussing alternatives to the dollar being the world's reserve currency, and there is some speculation that Russia and China will formally raise the issue of gold and silver being put into the currency basket. This spells trouble for the US dollar. If the IMF takes steps down the road toward a new global reserve currency basket, it will chip away at the greenback's role as the world's reserve currency. The funny thing is, despite this problem, the dollar is the most stable and strong of the world's fiat currencies. All currencies are falling versus gold. Last week, gold prices rose to all-time highs in euros, British pounds, and Swiss francs, as investors focused on debt crises in Europe and sold those currencies hard. This trend toward gold isn't peaking, it's picking up steam. Inflows to the Spider Gold Trust ETF, or GLD, rose nearly 20 metric tons in one day last week, its largest one-day increase since February of 2009. That set a new record of over 1,185 tons. And it's not just the GLD. Check out this chart of the action of the combined holdings of all physical gold ETFs as tracked by Surelinks.com. As you can see, investors have piled up more than 73 million ounces in gold ETFs. This trend in demand, considering that supply is still very tight, means that we should see higher prices. And it's not just investors that are buying gold. Since 2009, central banks have, as a group, become net buyers of gold. And as I mentioned earlier, global supply remains very tight. Grades are going down. New deposits they find are actually getting smaller. Add it all up, and I think gold is cheap and going higher. My short-term target is $1,231. Beyond that, my longer-term targets are $1,350 and $1,500 an ounce. This path will not be a straight line for gold, so use those pullbacks to load up. I recommend physical gold for the long-term buy and hold, but you can use the gold ETFs for short-term trades. This is Sean Broderick for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. Thanks for watching.